Today, we're going to be screwing around with the GMC. I just picked up a very cool tire combination for this thing. Pretty much farm tractor tires. I shouldn't have to trim too much, if anything. Am I really going to put 8 lug nuts back on? I think 5. Well, works for me. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be screwing around with the GMC because I just picked up a very cool tire combination for this thing. So we got some 31 by 15 8-bolt, pretty much farm tractor tires on some custom made rims. They're well made rims. Tires are a little bald. Oh, here comes Glenny. You could tell which ones he ran on the back and which ones he ran on the front. So luckily this truck's 2-wheel drive, which some of you may not have known, but it's 2-wheel drive, and while this tire is flat, it's pretty much shot. These tires, well, the front ones, look at this sketchy thing here. So this is about to blow any time here. So those tires came just in time. They're 31, so they're not huge. I shouldn't have to trim too much, if anything. We'll get to the truck, to the shop there, and jack it up, throw the wheels on, and go from there. I was gonna go to the shredder, but I just couldn't let it happen. I don't even know if I'm for sure gonna take it yet. I think the deal is, if we can throw battery in it and it turns over, then we got ourselves a deal. And the guy says 10 years, so that means 20? Keys are in it. We'll see if it is, I know it's not seized. Okay, we got the truck back to the shop here, filled the tires up there, and kind of went through a few other things, smashed some brake lines so it wouldn't leak. So we got front brakes right now, which is perfect. That's all we need. We can do a little burnout. All right, well, I reckon we'll do the front first because that's going to be the most problematic. If I got to do any trimming, get that out of the way first because, well, those rears should bolt straight on. Wrong side, right side. All right, well, they fit over the hub. So far, so good. I think they're probably gonna rub in here. Hell damn, it looks cool. Oh yeah. Okay. So this is where we're rubbing. Okay, I kind of figured that this would be a problem, so I'll trim this off as well. Nice. Doesn't look like it's gonna hit anything steering related, so we'll pull these off. Could use the quickie saw, but it's kind of some minor cuts, so I might just stick with the grinder, but we'll see. So I just figured we would grab the quickie saw, get the majority of the cutting out of the way, then we'll step it down to the little 4.5-inch cutoff wheel, clean up whatever we need. Man. Is this thing still recording?
Yeah.
Nice, man. Could you pump me up once there, Brett? That's good. Go up a bit. Yeah, go up. Good.
Ooh, now you're on there.
Yes, it is, boss. Oh, the jack.
Yeah.
I wouldn't worry about that. Man. Oh. Am I really gonna put 8 lug nuts back on? I think like 4 or 5. I think 5. Oh, nice. This one's easy. Max turn, nice, no rubbage. Okay, go the other way. Don't want this to rub at high speeds. Jesus. That's max turn?
Yeah.
Nice, okay. Well, maybe this side's hitting, I don't know. Hold on. Oh, she's going more? Okay, that's max. He knows.
It's not a fast plug, it ain't gonna wreck the tire.
Okay, that's good. Well, works for me. Damn, it looks hot. Holy
Sticky mouth through those.
I let you drive my toy for 1 minute.
Okay, Josh, I gotta go home, man. See you later.
You're leaving. It's actually pretty quick for what it is, eh? Alright guys, so I'm gonna call it quits for this video on the square body. The tractor wheels fit mint, they work awesome. They actually work way better than I thought they would, especially in the snow. I mean, this thing boogies pretty good. It ain't as fast as the Subarus, but it still gets around pretty good. So we got some minor rubbage issues, but whatever, we'll pull out the saw and get that fixed up. The nice thing about these tires is down the road I'm probably going to come across another 4x4 1-ton square body, and now I've got a nice set of tires to throw on them. So stay tuned for that, because now I gotta go find one.